Hello everyone, this is Rose and today I've got a pedicure and manicure set to review for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. Solingen sent me a manicure set and here it is. So it's a nail cutter or nail clipper and it has a nail file right there. And it comes with a bottle opener and a small knife. And this one is a nail polish dryer nail spray. And next is the nail brush to clean the nails. And these ones are a nail file, it's double-sided nail file. And next is the Solingen Special Nail Pusher. This tool used to push cuticles away from the nails and clean the nail surface without harming the cuticles. And this one is the Solingen Cuticle Nipper Swan. It is authentic and made in Germany. This tool is made from a durable metal such as stainless steel, designed handle that fits in the palm of the hand. Its firm grip that will make the trimming process more convenient, and it will help to avoid pulling the skin. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it. So first, make sure your nails are clean. So now I'm gonna apply a nail cuticle remover. This will soften up the cuticles around the nails. And then I'm gonna use the Solingen Cuticle Pusher. So push back the cuticles away from the nails to clean the nail surface. Cuticle Pusher is a simple care tool used to perform manicure and pedicure. It pushes the skin from your cuticles back and away from your nails to help your nails grow stronger and nicer. So I really like this Solingen Cuticle Pusher. It is a good quality and it is well trimmed stainless steel and it is durable and so easy to use. And it also has a sharp edge that is also good for removing the ingrowns. And then brush it off to clean the nails. And now I'm gonna use the Solingen Cuticle Nipper. This is used to trim or cut back the cuticles on the fingernails or toenails. So make sure to get your original Swan Solingen Nipper only from Solingen Philippines. It is available in their Shopee account as there are many fakes in the market. It is used for cleaning the cuticles around the nails. I really like the grip of this nail cuticle nipper because it is easy to grip and easy to use and it's so comfortable to use on your hand. And it is long lasting and it is also a good quality cuticle nipper. By removing the dead skin, it supports the nail growth and shows your nails is healthy and charming. This product is available on Shopee, Solingen Philippines, or you can also visit their Facebook page Solingen NIPPER Philippines, or you can contact 0933-825-5283 to order. They also do the same day delivery, and it is very easy and hassle-free to order from them, and it is affordable, and most importantly, it is guaranteed original. And now I'm going to use the nail clippers or nail cutter. It is a high quality sharp blades to get the result with a clean cut. It is really sharp. It doesn't crack the nails. It is sized for trimming fingernails or toenails with the best accuracy. It is sharp, durable, and it is best for kids, men, and women. And now I'm going to use the Solingen nail file. It is a double-sided nail file, and it files really good on the nails. So I'm gonna post the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. Another use of nail pusher is you could use it for cleaning under the nails. It really did a good job cleaning under the nails. And then I'm gonna use an alcohol pad to wipe off all the oils on the nail surface. And now I'm gonna apply base coat. And now I'm gonna apply the first coat of nail polish. And now the second coat. And now I'm gonna try the Rapid Dry Nail Polish Dryer Nail Spray. It is a liquid that is sprayed onto the wet nail polish to make it dry faster. So I am just gonna spray it on my nails and see if it works. And now let's see if it dries by touching it. Wow, it really works. It is dry. Wow, it is really fast drying. And it is very affordable for a big bottle spray like that. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And thank you for watching.